So welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to install mud flaps on a Tesla Model 3. It's from Tesla. It's a Tesla kit, so we're going to go ahead and install it. So it looks like it came with front and rear mud flaps.
No, it's an extension.
Oh, it's an extension?
Yeah, so you can have it smaller.
Or larger. I think the larger ones are the best. Yeah, for sure. But we'll put them on and see what they look like. So my son-in-law here, he's going to get ready to install it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is pull out the existing pins.
Wipe it all off.
He wiped it off. Yeah, we did turn the wheel all the way to the left so that he has access to work. You're going to wipe the car down, and then you're going to pull out the existing pins. Let me see those pins. Yeah, you're going to pull those out. You're not going to need those. There's going to be new pins.
You just use a flathead screwdriver.
Flathead screwdriver to pop them off. And then there's an access door. Let me see if I can get that there. Okay. So there's an access door there. You're going to want to open that access door.
Yep.
And there should be a 10 millimeter bolt in there. It says a 10 millimeter bolt you're going to have to remove, and you're going to also get rid of that. You're also going to delete, or you're also going to cut off that access panel too. So let's get that bolt out first.
Bolt out first.
These are actually more involved than on my Model Y. It was just the clips on my Model Y. So these seem like they're going to be a little more secure. Okay, he's got the bolt out. Okay. And then you're going to have to cut that access door. So it says you just cut the side of it, and then you'll just pull it off. Like cut a little in the end, close as you can to the car. And then it should just rip off. You just pull it. If you're strong enough. Interesting, you're actually cutting a piece of the car away, but there's going to be a piece that's going to go over that that's going to block that.
Jeez.
Maybe cut it a little more. There you go. Easier to just cut it off all the way. There's the old access door. And those parts are going to be thrown away. We're not going to be using those. All right, the next thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to take off this 3M tape, and then we're going to want to slide that piece on it and clip it in. So it's going to clip in just like that once we get the tape off. So let's take the tape off. Then you're going to want to apply pressure for about 10 seconds to make sure it fully bonds with the tape. All right. I'd slip it in and then push down. Yep. All right, maybe good pressure. You can see this is the part that's going to cover that access hole that we just took off. All right, fully applied. Now I think we're ready to pop that on. Now, first you're going to want to pop on the two clips that were replacing the old clips. Not all the way in, just to kind of hold it in place, then we'll put that bolt on. We don't want to tighten everything up till that bolt is all the way on. But
So I guess it goes like this.
I think, yeah. Is that the right side or you got the wrong side?
Oh, it's the wrong side.
That's the side for the other side of the car. Good job. That's the right side. Or the left side. It's actually not the right side, it's the left side. Driver's side. Kind of clip that sucker in. Push it down and apply the pressure. And then you're going to apply pressure to get that tape to stick. That should be the right one for this side. Okay, we think we got the right side this time. It looks like the right side. Yes, it is. And then we're going to need those clips. All right, so here are the clips. And I would push them in all the way. Yeah, just line them up. And after we get that bolt installed, we'll go ahead and push those in the rest of the way.
Okay.
All right. There's the bolt.
Need the washer from the old one?
Yeah, we were going to keep the washer from the old one.
No, it doesn't.
Actually, I don't think it'll work because of the hole.
I think because you have the new thing, you don't need it, but let me check.
No, I don't. It would be blocking it. Okay.
Okay, that's in the hole right there. He's going to ratchet that down. kind of cool that that's got that bolt that mine doesn't have. Should be really secure. And he's got that bolt tightened almost. It's a long bolt.
Going in here. There it goes. Okay.
Bolt is tightened.
Now we'll just tighten up these.
Pop those suckers in. You might need a hammer.
Yeah.
Oh, scratch up the wheel. So he wants to get a hammer because, yeah, a little hard to pop in. So that one's kind of hard to pound in. So he's going to turn the wheel the opposite direction and see if he can get behind it. Yeah, you should be all pounded in now, Braden. Plus the wheel will be ready for the other side.
There it goes.
And that's it. Total elapsed time, a little over 3 minutes. And he's got the second one installed. So pretty cool product. It's directly from Tesla. It's the Tesla Model 3 mud flaps. How much did they cost, Braden?
$40 free shipping.
40 bucks.
In like 2 days.
40 bucks free shipping, came in 2 days. So we'll see how they work. Maybe we'll talk about it later. But for now, that's it. That's how to install the Tesla Model 3 mud flaps. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.